Ngayon naman, pag-aralan natin kung paano mag-translate ng isang joint variation. So, in this given exercise, we have to write an equation for the following statements using K as our constant of variation. So, since we are talking about variation, syempre, hindi mawawala dyan si K or ang ating constant of variation. Now, just to give us an example before we do this exercise, we have this example statement and mathematical equation. For this equation of variation, statement says z varies jointly as x and y. Or sometimes kasi mababasa nyo, z varies directly as x and y. So, hindi to just direct variation kasi dalawa yung naapektuhan dun sa ating z. So we have F varies jointly as E and G. So parang ganito lang din yung pag-translate natin dyan. So it can be translated as F is equal to KEG. So don't forget itong constant of variation natin. Then all you need to do is to input F on the left side of the equation and then EG kasi product siya ng E and G. Next, V varies jointly as A, B, and C. So kung dito titingnan nyo, hindi lang tatlo or hindi lang dalawa ang ating quantities. Meron tayong isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat. So we interpret this one, joint variation. V is equal to K, A, B, C. Siyempre, hindi pa rin mawawala dyan si constant of variation, K. Next, let's have this given example. Volume V of a cone varies jointly as its height h and square of its radius. So kung i-consider natin dyan, ito yung isang quantity natin, the volume, the other one is the height, and the other one is the square of the radius. Square of the radius. So ito, square of its radius. So we can let our radius here as variable r. So we can interpret this one as V is equal to K HR squared. So, since ang sabi dito is square of its radius, so r squared yung ginawa natin. And that's how you translate a joint variation.